Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 7 UX research trends you need to know about for 2023. These trends are going to be shaping the industry for at least the next year and impacting the world of product for much longer. So it's worth getting ahead now. I'm Hillary, Education Lead at Maze. Let's get into it. There's no doubt that 2023 is going to be a year of challenges and opportunities for the research industry. UX research is no longer a nice to have. Organizations everywhere see the value of research and just how vital it is for informing product and business decisions. But there's a lot of uncertainty at the moment, with economic instability and budget cuts facing lots of companies. UX leaders are thinking more strategically about maximizing the impact of research, and that means we're seeing a lot more pressure on research and product teams. To get a better understanding of how the industry is moving forward, we spoke to over 600 experts and product professionals as part of our continuous research report. You can read the full report for yourself or stick with us to get into the trends. First up on our trends list is continuous research. With the rise of product-led growth, more and more organizations are seeing the value of research and how important it is to create products not just for customers, but with them. Today, research is becoming a better established practice in companies everywhere, no matter the size. Our research shows that 82% of product orgs have at least one dedicated UX researcher and are currently involving customers in research from the start of product development. But they're not stopping there. In 2023, we're seeing the power of continuous research. In fact, 83% of people working in product think that research should be happening at each stage of the product lifecycle. So if you want to ensure your product not only survives, but thrives in 2023, it's time to adopt continuous product discovery. Today, there is no such thing as a final product or a singular research stage. Just a new iteration, new feedback, a product that evolves along with customer needs. If you want to get started, I recommend checking out our free guide to continuous product discovery down below. Okay, on to our second trend. Here, we saw that the appetite for user feedback and insights is only continuing to grow. In fact, 78% of people we spoke to said they think their company could benefit from more research. But time, budget limitations, and access to research participants makes this a big challenge. A single researcher or product team can't cover all the questions an organization has. So more and more companies are turning to other teams as a way of scaling the impact of research. Organizations are empowering different people to engage in research and go out and gather specific insights they need to make informed, impactful decisions. As organizations scale their research, the role of user researchers is also changing, moving from what used to be a purely technical role into more of a facilitator. Following on from what we saw in Trend 2, researchers are now becoming responsible for empowering others in the organization, helping them to learn how to gather quality insights. Researchers are no longer a detective, trying to solve problems and provide data. They're now also an ally to product teams. They're teachers and inspirers, helping other teams learn how to make better decisions. Okay, well, it feels like it goes without saying that UX research is worth it. Would we be researchers if we didn't research the research itself? Well, we did. And good news, user research is effective, and the data proves it. An unsurprising but substantial trend is the correlation between research and business success. Organizations using customer insights to improve decision-making are seeing significant increases in not only customer satisfaction, but business growth, and it's only increasing. The data shows concretely that research helps organizations make better product decisions, and it positively impacts customer satisfaction, product adoption, user activation, and revenue. In fact, 74% of our respondents said research is effective in guiding their decision-making. A UX trend that's continuing into 2023 is the focus on inclusivity and accessibility. Really, more than a trend, Inclusive, accessible design is a shift in the way we work and the way we understand our customers and everyone around us. For too long, people were left out of conversations, excluded from research, or just forgotten about. The product world is all about leading the way and shining a spotlight on what could and should be. Accessibility and inclusivity is the most important movement we've seen in a long time. Our research shows that today, product and design teams are thinking more deeply than ever about how to build inclusive products. Major tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Airbnb are paving the way by creating inclusive design manifestos that strengthen their focus on building products which are not just open to everyone, but designed for everyone. Put simply, if user insights shape your product, then you need those users to reflect everyone. If you're not sure where to start, you can check out our inclusive design guide to get started now. The trends so far have shown that more and more businesses see the value of understanding customers, getting to know their needs, their pain points, and motivation. So it's no surprise that our industry report revealed that qualitative methods tend to be used more than quantitative. This might be because it feels less intimidating to use a qualitative method. After all, when you first start researching, especially if you're not in a research-specific role, having an interview or conversation with a customer feels a lot less daunting than trying to take on a full product analysis. However, the best results come from a combination of qualitative and quantitative. Product teams should look to incorporate mixed methods into their research process, combining qualitative and quantitative research to not only uncover the why, but also the what and how. It's safe to say that research and design tools have been on the rise for some time. And in 2023, they are crucial to staying ahead of the competition. For small teams, tools make research more efficient and accessible. For larger organizations, they make it scalable at pace and provide more in-depth insights. According to our report, one of the biggest challenges for product teams right now is having access to the right research tools. In practice, this means that product teams are investing more than ever in their virtual toolkit. The UX tools landscape is growing continuously, and platforms are offering new features and functionality for anyone who does research. The future of product is customer-centric, and user research is pivotal to this. In 2023, research is evolving to empower anyone in any organization to connect with customers on an ongoing basis. It's becoming a continuous function that extends across all of the product development process. So that's it for this video on our top 7 research trends for 2023. If you want to read the full report that we pulled these trends from, then take a look at the link in the description or head to our website to see the data for yourself. We hope it inspires you in new ways of thinking about how we can empower entire product teams to continuously learn from customers and innovate with them. See you again soon.